is going on, Saucy Beauty family? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another mini review of a new brand that just launched at Sephora on September 18, and I thought I should share with you guys, so let's get right into it. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna get right into it. So today, again, we are going to be reviewing the Kaja. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, Kaja, but they're very new, exclusive, only at Sephora, meaning they only sell it at Sephora. And this brand is literally recently, like they just literally just launched, you guys. They launched on September 18th. They're super excited because I love trying new brands. So just a little bit about the brand. They're the next generation of color bite-sized beauty products packed with Korean innovation. That's pretty awesome. So the first thing we're starting, you guys, is their Mochi Glow. I'm not sure. Again, all the pronunciation of these products, I'm probably gonna butcher the hell out of them. Let's just call it Mochi Glow for now. So we have three different ones, which are freaking, oh my god, I love it just because of the texture is super like, oh, I love the feeling of it, to be honest. So the Mochi Glow are just basically blendable highlighters. They are a cream highlighter that dries to a powder. And this product is available in 4 shades, and their retail price, you guys, is $19. So now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch each of the Mochi Glow. So the first one we have is 01 Toy Alien. Next one is number 2 Prism. Next is 03 Luna. And last but not least is Stardust 04. Next we have their Cheeky Stamps, which are blushes. So these are their buildable blush. Is a heart-shaped blush that adds a natural looking flush. Build intensity by stamping multiple times. You twist the top to reveal the applicator. You pop open the bottom compact, which has a sponge, and it's just like a push sponge into a cushion formula that blends upon application. And these blushes are available in 4 different shades. So let's go ahead and swatch them. First one is 01 Koi. Next is 02 Saucy. I love this. Saucy, my favorite one. Saucy family, where you at? Leave me a comment if you're still watching. You the real MVP. Next, 03 Bossy. I like that. Saucy Bossy. 04 Feisty. And these are the 4 different blush. Hope you guys are loving this. Okay, you guys, next to my favorite part, these little compact eyeshadow. So these are called the Beauty Bento, and these are shimmer eyeshadow trios. So as you can see, they are curated bite-sized eyeshadow that apply super intense. You can use your fingers and you can apply a single shade, or you can layer for more of an intensity look and a multi-dimension finish. These are available in 2 different shades, or 2 different sets, I should say. They both bring 3 different shades of eyeshadow. So now let's go ahead and swatch these. First up, we have 01 Rose Water. So these are more on the pink side tones, while the Orange Blossom, which is the next one that we're going to be swatching, is more on the warm gold tones. But yes, you guys, the price on these are $21. I feel like it's a bit expensive, but to be honest, you do get 3 different eyeshadows. You do get the benefit of traveling with this just because of the packaging, how nice it is. It's not gonna take much space whatsoever. You do get different shades of it, and plus you can even use these as highlighters, because how gorgeous are these? They are shimmer, by the way, so that's that. And lastly, we have their new Cushy Vibe lip stains. Oh my god, so freaking beautiful, you guys. So these are the Cushy Vibes. They are $18 each. They're fully pigment lip stains, so they're not like liquid lipstick or anything like that. They're lip stains. It is stated that they are very moisturizing. It's a comfort wear that lasts all day long. And you guys, the cool part about this is that the way that they shape the little duffel applicator is like kind of like narrow and pointed. You can also go ahead and lip line your lips. Pretty awesome. I'm telling you, you guys, the innovation on this brand, it's freaking amazing. And now let's go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So first we have 01 Satin Sheets. Next is Silk Robe 03. And the last one is Cashmere 04. Very, very beautiful shade. I freaking love it. And these are available in 6 different shades. Once again, they are $18 each. Okay, you guys, so now let's just go ahead and put these stuff on our face. So I'm definitely going to be using the 02 Orange Blossom just because I really like the warm tones on me and how they look. So as I open the little packaging, I'm going to go ahead and take the second shade right here. And again, you could just use, as they mentioned, you could just use this with your finger. I'm going to go ahead and take it. You guys, look how beautiful that is. Oh my god, like zoom in, look at this, look at this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my finger, just apply the, whoa dude, that is intense. Like you don't really have to layer to get that pigmentation. It looks intense already, like it looks so wet. That's my favorite part of it. Oh my god. By the way, you guys, another pro, they also carry a mirror. Crazy, I know, but it does have a mirror. Oh my god, this feels so nice. And yes, you guys, I'm bringing all the way up to my crease. And next, you guys, I'm going to be taking the Set Rose Water, and I'm going to be taking the first shade. So I'm going to use that to kind of go here, basically where the light hits. So I'm going to be taking a little brush, and I'm going to be adding that all the way up to my brows, highlighting the brows. I'm also going to go ahead and apply a little bit, tiny bit on the tear ducts right here. Ooh, just like that. Okay, you guys, so now we're going for cheeky stamps. Yeah, I think I'm going for something more subtle, like this one right here. So we have the little stamp. We're just gonna like that, just a little bit because I don't want to go too crazy. And let's stamp our cheeks. Aww. Like I want to blend this first because who knows. Oh, I think I'm gonna do it with my fingers. Okay, yes, they're super blendable. They're not bad. Oh my god, they're so cute. But I don't know how I feel about it. As you guys know, I am not a blush person, but the concept of this is super cute. Oh, and for my favorite part, we are going with the Mochi Glows, which are highlighter. Ooh, these are like popping out. I think the texture of them are very soft, you guys, and that's why they're like kind of like breaking out, like they're coming off their little pan. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that on the top of my cheek. And by the way, I'm using the shade Luna, and it goes with my skin tone very nice just because of my warm tones. It actually blends in and looks like my skin, which is what I'm looking for. And I think, you guys, I'm gonna apply just a little tiny bit more of highlighter just because they're super beautiful, and I think it won't hurt to put a little bit more. I'm using the shade Prism 02. Okay, you guys, so last but not least, we're gonna be using their lip stains, which in the shade Silk Robe. So I was swatching between the lip stains to see which one looks better, and let me tell you, they were not kidding when they said this is a lip stain, because honey, my lips are stained. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is my final look, but let me know what you think. What are your thoughts about this new brand? Are you guys picking up anything? Do you guys like it? Do you guys think it's bullcrap or it's not for you? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. It helps a lot, and till next time, babes, I'll see you.